Machine and work area setup. Do not use this video in place of reading and understanding the operator's manual. Warning: always understand and follow the instructions and warnings for all equipment and material being used to reduce the risk of serious personal injury and product damage. Manuals and instructions for RIDGID products are available online at RIDGID.com. For questions, contact us at rtctechservices@emerson.com or toll free 1-800-519-3456. Warning: always wear safety glasses and RIDGID drain cleaning gloves that are in good condition while handling and using drain cleaning equipment. Do not use damaged drain cleaning gloves. Drains may contain harmful chemicals or bacteria. Wear latex rubber or other liquid barrier gloves under the RIDGID drain cleaning gloves. Check for appropriate work area procedures per the operator's manual. Inspect the drain to be cleaned. If possible, determine the access points to the drain, the sizes and lengths of the drain, distance to tanks or main lines, the nature of the blockage, and the presence of drain cleaning chemicals or other chemicals. If chemicals are present in the drain, it is important to understand the specific safety measures required to work around those chemicals. Contact the chemical manufacturer for required information. Evaluate the work area to determine if any barriers are needed to keep bystanders away from the drain cleaner and the work area. The drain cleaning process can be messy, and bystanders may distract the operator. Determine the correct drain cleaning equipment for the application. Refer to the product specifications section in the operator's manual. Make sure the machine has been properly inspected per the operator's manual. Drain cleaners for other applications can be found by consulting the RIDGID catalog online at www.rigid.com. That's RIDGID.com. And by calling RIDGID Tool Technical Services at 1-800-519-3456. If needed, remove the fixture, water closet, sink, etc. to allow access to the drain. Do not feed the cable through a fixture. This could damage the drain cleaner and the fixture. If needed, place protective covers in the work area. The drain cleaning process can be messy. Position the drain cleaning machine so that the drum opening is within 2 feet of the drain access. A greater distance from the drain access increases the risk of the cable twisting or kinking. If the machine cannot be placed with the drum opening within 2 feet of the drain access, extend the drain access back to within 2 feet of the drum opening by using similar sized pipe and fittings. Warning: improper cable support can allow the cable to kink or twist and can cause damage to the cable or injure the operator. Select the proper tool for the conditions. See the operator's manual for information on proper tool selection. If the nature of the obstruction is unknown, it's a good practice to start with a straight or bulb auger to explore the obstruction and retrieve a piece of the obstruction for inspection. Once the nature of the obstruction is known, the appropriate tool can be selected for the application. A good rule of thumb is to start by running the smallest available tool through the blockage to allow the backed up water to start flowing and carry away the debris and cuttings as the drain is clean. Once the drain is open and flowing, other tools appropriate for the blockage can be used. Generally, the largest tool should not exceed the inside diameter of the drain minus 1 inch. Install the tool to the end of the cable. The T-slot coupler allows the cutting tool to be snapped into the cable coupler. As the cutting tool is installed, make sure the spring-loaded plunger in the cable coupler moves freely to retain the tool. If the pin sticks in the retracted position, the cutting tool may fall off in use. To remove the cutting tool, insert the pin key into the hole in the coupling to depress the plunger and slide the coupling apart. Position the foot switch for easy accessibility. You must be able to hold and control the cable, control the foot switch, and reach the forward, off, reverse switch. Confirm that the forward off reverse switch is in the off position. With dry hands, plug the drain cleaner into a properly grounded outlet. Keep all connections dry and off the ground. Refer to the operator's manual for information on proper extension cord selection.